Students, good morning to the online class. Already, you know, myself, Mr. Ashok Kumar Mahapatra, assistant teacher of Sanskar Guru. We have already studied yesterday quadratic equation solve application. After that, we have to also study about the nature of the roots. Already I told you in the last class the nature of the roots. Now you may tell one is, suppose the quadratic equation is x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So this is the standard form, otherwise you can say this is the general form of a quadratic equation, and whose roots we got x alpha. Alpha means the positive value that you got minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Already I told you this is the positive value of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and another is negative value x beta, that is equal to minus b minus b square minus 4ac root over divided by 2a. These things already we have discussed, and also I told you that b square minus 4ac is called the discriminant. B square minus 4ac is called the discriminant. And about the nature of roots, already I told you that whenever d is equal to 0, d means discriminant, means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then you can say roots are real and equal. And if d greater than 0, you can say roots are real and unequal. Otherwise you can say distinct roots. And whenever d less than 0, you can say no real roots exist. These things already we studied previously. So now just see, if we got the positive value as well as we got the negative value, then what will happen if we add to alpha plus beta? So alpha plus beta means you can say sum of the roots, alpha plus beta. So now put the value, you will get minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a plus minus b minus root of b square minus 4ac root of by 2a. Just I put the value whenever you are finding alpha plus beta. So now you see LCM is 2a. If LCM is 2a, you are getting minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac, then minus b minus root of b square minus 4ac. So you see here the plus b square minus 4ac root over and minus, that is cancelled. So we got alpha plus beta, that is equal to alpha plus beta, we got minus 2b by 2a. So you will see 2 to cancel, finally we got minus b by a. So you have to remember sum of the roots in a quadratic equation is minus b by a. So what is a? A is called the coefficient of x square, and what is b? B is called the coefficient of x. so that you got the sum of the roots is minus b by a. Now you observe what will be the product of the roots. Now you observe the product of the roots. So we'll write alpha into beta. So that is equal to minus b plus b square minus 4ac root over by 2a into minus b minus root over of b square minus 4ac root over by 2a. So just I have put the value in alpha place and beta place. So you got suppose you see here minus b is suppose x root over of b square minus 4ac to y. So you will say x plus y and here will be x minus y. X plus y into x minus y. So product result is x square minus y square. So according to that we will write whole square of b square minus root over of b square minus 4ac, that is whole square divided by whole square of 2a is equal to 4a square. According to the formula, x plus y into x minus y, that is equal to x square minus y square. So we got b square minus, if square of this one we find already, what will happen? The root over side will be removed. So we'll get b square minus 4ac within bracket divided by 4a square. So we got b square minus b square plus 4ac divided by 4a square. So we got 4ac by 4a square, that we got c by a. So already we control sum of the roots alpha plus beta, we got minus b by a, and product of the roots or zeros, we got c by a. So applying this formula, how we can solve a quadratic equation, how we can get the sum of the roots as well as product of the roots is a quadratic equation. So just you see here, suppose I will write 2x square minus 7 minus 13x is equal to 0. Suppose question is like this, you have to find out the sum of the roots as well as the product of the roots. If question is like this, so you may write here a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 13 and c is equal to minus 7. First your duty is to find out a, b and c. So then you may write if alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation, then you can write alpha plus beta, that is equal to minus b by a, that is as per the formula. So we will write here minus b by a, it means we will get minus b sign is minus, so minus 13 by 2. So already you got 13 by 2, that you got the value of alpha plus beta. Similarly, alpha into beta is the formula c by a. So you will write c by a means minus 7 by 2. Like this way you will find if an equation is given to you, and question is to find out the sum of the roots as well as product of the roots, then you can find by applying this formula alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a and alpha into beta is equal to c by a. So now you see, suppose question is like that. Find in this equation, find alpha square plus alpha square plus beta square. Suppose question is like this. 2x square minus 13x minus 7 is equal to 0. You have to find the value of alpha square plus beta square. So already you know alpha is the positive value and beta is the negative value. So you will write first a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 13 and c is equal to minus 7. First you have to detect this one. Then you write sum of the roots alpha plus beta, that is equal to what? Minus b by a. Minus b by a, already you got 13 by 2. And then you have to find out alpha into beta, that is equal to c by a, it means 7 by 2. So first, that is your work. If question is like that, always find the sum of the roots and product of the roots. So already you got alpha plus beta, that is equal to minus b by a. According to that formula, you got 13 by 2, and then alpha beta, that is equal to c by a. But your question is to find out alpha square plus beta square. So you will write alpha square plus beta square. So alpha square plus beta square, when you will find, you have to remember, you have to use alpha plus beta as well as alpha beta. That you have to anyway use. You have to use that one. Which one? Alpha plus beta you have to use, and alpha beta also to use. So you may write alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta, that is whole square minus 2 alpha beta. You may write alpha square plus beta square is equal to whole square of alpha plus beta and minus 2 alpha beta. Just you calculate, then you will get alpha square plus beta square. So you have to use here alpha plus beta, already I used, and you have to also use alpha beta, that also I have used. Now you just examine whole square of alpha plus beta and minus 2 alpha beta, that is coming alpha square plus beta square. Now you have to just to put the value in order to get the answer. So you see here alpha plus beta, that is given to you 13 by 2. So you can write 13 by 2 whole square minus 2 into minus 7 by 2. Just to put the value. So now you got here 169 by 4, then plus 2 cancel, you got 7. So now you see 4 is LCM, so you got 169 plus 7 into 4 28, so you got 197 by 4. So like this way you have to calculate. So dear students, already quadratic equation chapter is completed. So I will now give only 2 questions for you as from task, and you have to solve it. So write the question here. Find. So you will first write the question. 3x square minus 26x minus 9 is equal to 0. Find 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square. Question number 1. Question number 2. 4x square minus 3x minus 7 is equal to 0. Find alpha cube plus beta cube. So this is the home task for you, and you have to solve it. And if any problem will arise, you will contact in my mobile number already previously I have given. Again also I am giving you 8982 408504. Thank you.